Good morning! Good morning! This is Dumabag Inisita Morning Vlog. I'm alone by myself here in our place, but then my husband is not here, so I am able to do it by myself. One of my greatest performance this year, January, February, yeah. But because you know what? Last night yet, I tried to trick my husband. I told him, you better go to sleep earlier because you're not feeling good because he's been working all day long. So last night, there are two boxes here. I finalized here. Of course, my husband helped me putting everything here weeks ago. But then, last night when he was sleeping, I started to do the final thing. And when he woke up this morning, he was surprised. I said, baby, you did a good job. Yeah, what? Well, you were sleeping and I did by myself. See? One. This is one. This is two boxes for the Philippines. After 1 month, they're gonna have this. The Alas people, where they're gonna, it's an agency or our office, they're gonna pick this up later. So send it to my relatives in the Philippines. But anyway, I'm very proud of myself. This is the greatest performance, one of the greatest performance of my life. I did it by myself. The greatest performance, making this a spinal, setting up, see this tape. My greatest performance, one of my greatest performance of the year. I'm so proud of myself, a senior citizen, a senior lady, did the boxing. And my husband was very proud of me because he said, oh, you did it by yourself. Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Hello, Nelly. Oh, hello, Dumabag. Dumabag Inisita Nelly. I'm so proud of myself making this box, 2 boxes for the Philippines. Oh, hello, Dumabag Inisita Nelly. You're so good. You're so good. You're so nice. Very good job doing the good job for these boxes. I'm just having fun. Morning fun, good vibes. For later, I'm going to meet my friends at the senior center. And I'll be having a party, senior party tomorrow with my friends too. So, I made up my mind that I have to finish this. One box equals 2 boxes, and I will have another box for later if they're gonna take these boxes. I have another boxes. Okay, that's a good vibe for this morning's vlog from Dumabag Inisita Senior Vlog. Thank you for watching. I'm alone by myself here.